everyone, Donna here. Today I want to share one of my favorite healthy go-to plant-based recipes that requires no cooking and is super easy and quick to make. So if you don't have a lot of free time, this one's for you. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's topic. So, my go to is a healthy, satisfying plant based acai bowl. I just throw in approximately 1 cup of quick oats. I don't cook mine, and I usually don't measure anything as I pretty much just eyeball it. I then add 1 unsweetened acai puree packet, and I also like to add some kiwi. I'll also add 1 banana, some blueberries, some raspberries, and strawberries. I then put about a tablespoon of chia seeds or ground flax in, as they provide a good source of omega 3s. I'll add some plant based milk. I prefer coconut milk or oat milk, and I like to mix it with unsweetened Ripple. To top it off, I pour in a little maple syrup and just a touch of organic, unsweetened shredded coconut. I try to use coconut in moderation as it contains a good amount of saturated fat. So that's all there is to it. I've made a satisfying plant based acai bowl in minutes. Also, I should mention that sometimes I'll add an unsweetened plant based yogurt. There are several non dairy yogurts out there to choose from, and most are fortified with calcium. Nonetheless, eating plant based can not only be healthy, but it's also super tasty. So, have you tried an acai bowl? Do you have a favorite plant based bowl that you like to make? If so, be sure and share it in the comments below. Also, if you're just transitioning to a plant based or vegan diet, why not give this tasty recipe a try or create your own? Anyway, that's all for today. And if you want to see more videos like this one, be sure and hit that bell so you will be notified when I post a new video. And until next time,